back to my channel. So today I'm gonna be doing a Boxy charm unboxing, and this is my first time ever subscribing with Boxy charms, so let's see, let's see how I like it. But it comes with 2 cards. So this one is a Kylie Skin card, and it's just a coupon, and this card that says Boxy charm with all the product descriptions and prices on the back. So the first product is this Kylie Skin foaming face wash, and I'm actually really interested in this because I've never bought any of Kylie Jenner's products, even though I love Kylie Jenner. And I also really have sensitive skin, which is why I don't have on any makeup right now, because I had a breakout, so I'm trying to just not put anything but my products on my face. So when I try this product out, I'll definitely have to use it for about a week and use this product alone, because I don't like mixing products when I add a new product into my face routine. So we'll see how that works. This retails for $24. I also got this First Aid Beauty Bump Eraser Body Scrub. So it's basically a body exfoliator, which I'm definitely gonna use because I do love body exfoliators. I use the Tree Hut Scrub, I think it's called, and I love it. So let's hope I like this too. This retails for $18. Next, I got some Lily Lashes Triple X mascara, and I love when I get mascaras in these boxes because I do not buy mascara. Like, for a makeup artist, it's weird because I do not buy mascara. So all my mascaras I got free with something or in one of these boxes. So I'm definitely going to be using this. We'll see how that works. This retails for $24. I actually can put some on my bottom lash line right now, but I don't want to do that right now. Next, I got this Laura Geller Multitasking Eye, Lip, and Cheek Palette Cream to Powder Trio in shades of nude. So this is what it looks like. And this is what the inside looks like. It's actually really pretty. Like, I really can't wait to use this. And that retails for $24 as well. The last product that I got in this box is KAB Cosmetics Lip Gloss and Lip Liner in the color Charming. And it says it smells like vanilla, so let's see. I actually don't smell anything, but I want to try it on, but I already have lip gloss on. I love the color. I'm a nude type of girl. Like, I love nude pinks and just all types of nude colors. For my lips, that's all I wear on my lips. So this is pinkish, but it still gives me like nude vibes, kind of. Let me swatch it on my arm. So my camera decided to die on me, so I'm recording on my phone now, but I'm gonna swatch this on my arm. And I'm definitely gonna love this lip gloss. So this is what it looks like on my hand, and I'm definitely gonna love it. I can already tell. This lip gloss and lip liner kit retails for $40. That's pretty much it for this video. The BoxyCharm subscription is $24 or $25 a month, and you get 5 full-size products, so that's great. Around $130 in total is in this $25 BoxyCharm box, so that's great. Yeah, that's pretty much it for this video. I will see you guys in the next video. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, all that good stuff. You already know what's in. I will see you guys in the next video.